Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video coming at you with video number 61, I believe. We got our earnings about just over 2 hours ago, 0.44%. So I made $62 rather than 85 cents on my money invested. Pretty decent day, guys. Can't complain. It was a little low on the other days, but it looks like it bounced right back up. So I'm well over 19K right now, so cruise along. Want to get to 20K real soon. I'm gonna do some withdrawals though in a couple days on Friday. It's Wednesday right now. Got bills to pay and stuff, so it is what it is. But I want to thank everybody for joining my team and asking questions along the way. I think I said that in a previous video. A lot of people are starting to show interest, so I want to thank you guys for that. Yeah, this is a great opportunity to make some passive money, guys. I've been with this system for it'll be 2 years in what are we in August right now? Yeah, it's almost September, so I'm maybe in about a month and a half in October. Beginning in mid October is when I started 2020. So I've been in the system for almost 2 years. Every single day, guys, from Monday to Friday, I've made money on the money I have invested. So it's if you guys think of S Group, you're not too sure if it's stable or not, if it's going to be around for long, if you actually can make money on this. 100%, guys. This is the most amazing system. Don't take my word from it. You can ask other members in the system, and they'll tell you how awesome S Group is, guys. Totally has changed our lives. We have a more relaxed lifestyle. Don't have to work as hard, and and we just keep building our accounts, guys, over time. And of course, as you keep building the principal, your monthly earnings will continue to go up because you're trading on the principal amount and also your monthly earnings as well. So it's a great opportunity, guys. So you can click on the sign up link down below. To get into the system, you have to be referred into the system by somebody. So I'll be like your referral. And of course, guys, yeah, my email address is in the description down below. You can shoot me an email. Let me know, if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Been in the system for, like I said, about 2 years now. So I know all the ins and outs of everything, guys. So if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. The back office, yeah, it's pretty straightforward, guys. I've kind of gone through it a bunch of times in my other videos, but when you start off most people start off with the Forex market. You can start in these other areas, guys, but Forex, as you can see, is where I started. I got 18,683.58 is my principal amount. I now have 424.93 invested in there. Or sorry, not invested, but earnings for the 2 week period. And as you can see, it's been running for about 11 days, guys. So just think in 11 days, I've made $424.93. Not too bad, hey? Not too shabby, as they say. And yeah, these are my two investments I got running, guys. So I'm going to be combining and reinvesting those in a couple days. Of course, when you come in, guys, you can start at any of these lower levels. Most people that start investing in S Group for Forex, they usually start in these first three tiers. Of course, you could just go all the way up to this tier, guys. I actually made this tier in about 6 months. I funded my account for 6 months, and I got all the way up to 5,000. So now I'm in this tier level. My next goal would be I'm about 5,000 and something away from this level. So I will be reaching this level probably by Christmas time, guys. I might add some more money in there through other means that I have of income. Just to build this up, I want to get to this level. Once you're at just as a side note, once you get to the 25,000 level, you're making 500 USD per week, guys. So that's kind of the goal of mine. So that is literally like, just like a regular job, guys. Making decent amount of money. So just want to let you guys know about that. But anyways, I'm getting near the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click on the sign up button down below. The sign up link, I should say. You can sign up underneath my team and click the subscribe button down below. That way you can be notified of all my new videos and you can see my progress as I go along, guys. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.